Knight was incorporated in 1985 with a few thousand square feet of property and with less than 10 employees. We designed and built small handheld tools primarily for the automotive industry. At that point in time, we also started our first product line, which was lift tables, because we were good tool manufacturers. It's grown to where now we have 200,000 square foot of space and we have over 250 employees.
Originally it started with assisting the operators in lifting heavy product or awkward product that they had to reach and assemble, let's say, on the vehicle. Over time it's developed into helping speed up production. It's brought safety as far as safety to the operators at loading and handling and whatnot. Because of the wide diversity of our product line, over the years it has grown into multiple industries. Any manufacturing where there's lifting, handling of product of any sort, Knight reaches into. We reach out to basically all 6 continents, 6 of the 7, but our majority of our market is in Europe and North America, South America, and Asia.
We have our own design staff, the largest in the world for our type of commodity. We have our own engineering and technicians for our pneumatic and electrical controls. We can do anything from a balancer and a hook all the way up through servo-based XYZ systems. What that does is that helps with the precision movement, so you eliminate any unnecessary movements with a computer-based system. We also offer ergonomic rail systems, lift tables, carts, cart lifts.
High quality products are based on continual research and development and ensuring that products that we manufacture are state-of-the-art as well as repeatable. We're able to stock many of the common components we use, which also allow us to respond to our customers' needs in a quick and efficient manner.
The capabilities of machinery that we have are new lasers, new CNCs, things like that. Most of the efficiencies that we have, though, I believe, are the people, their expertise and what they know, and their capabilities.
We never leave a job until it's completed. We stay there till the end, we make sure it's running and they're happy with it.